How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how you can send a gift card to your friends through your email. Okay, now it is really easy process to send or share a gift card to your friends. Now if you want to do this, the first things you're just going to go ahead and do is very simple. All you want to do is just go ahead and tap your App Store. Once you come here, then you're going to see this option. Just go ahead and tap on your profile, and here you're going to see this option called Send Gift Card by Email. Go ahead and tap on there, and you're gonna see this option called email, name, and the messages. Okay, now you have to decide how much you would like to give as a gift card to your friends. Okay, now keep that in mind. It only starts with $15 to $500. Now, if you choose under $15, let's say if you want to send $10, it will not work. It will give you this type of error if you just try to send under $15 gift to your friends. Now, once you have just selected, whatever the pack you want, then I'll just go ahead and just give $30, for example. And here, just go ahead and add email, name, and messages. You can also customize the date if you want to. Well, now once you have just form all of this information like your email, from messages, and also after choosing your amount, just go ahead and tap next. And then it's going to give you this surface. Now you can choose between any color that you will literally like from here. Now I'll just go ahead and choose this one, for example, and then you simply can tap next. Now here, you're going to see this option called confirm your gift card, okay, or gift. You simply can tap buy here, and then you're going to just tap buy now. Now it's going to ask you for your Apple ID password. Go ahead and just enter it here. Now tap OK. Now go ahead and just tap continue to add your payment method. Well, to add your payment method, which is kind of personal, so we're not going to reveal it here. So you can add your payment method here, and then you'll be able to send that gift card to your friends by the email. Alright guys, so this is how you can do it. I hope this video is really useful for you. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all later.